Hello students, today we are going to learn a new grammar topic. Of course, this grammar topic is for revision and the name of the topic is modal auxiliary or modal verbs. They are also called helping verbs. Now let us see the table. Types, modal verbs and sentences. Ability or capacity. There are some modal auxiliaries which show ability or capacity, and the verbs are can or could. For example, John can speak 3 languages. He could speak fluent English when he was 5. Here John can speak 3 languages. It shows the ability or capacity of John to speak 3 languages. He could speak fluent English when he was 5 means he had ability to speak fluent English when he was 5 years old. Next, permission. There are some auxiliary verbs which are used to show or give permission. For example, can I sit in the chair? Can shows permission here. Could I open the window? May I come in? So can, could and may are used to show permission. Advice or suggestion. Should is used to show advice or suggestion. For example, you should visit your doctor twice a year. Obligation or compulsion. Here must or have to, and examples are I must memorize all of the rules about tenses. Possibility or probability. Might. It looks nice, but it might be expensive. So might shows possibility. Then may. Riddhi may be coming tomorrow. Could. It could damage the whole building. Can. It can be tiresome. So now see, might, may, could, can. These modal verbs are used to show possibility or probability. Now informal use of can. Look at the example. Can I borrow your pen for a moment? Can I speak to Raju? So these are informal uses of can. Then polite use of could. Dear friends, modal auxiliary could is used to show politeness. Look at the example. Could I please have a glass of water? It is a very polite question. Could I please have a glass of water? Could I open the window? So could is used to show politeness. Formal use of may. For example, may I ask you a question? This is very formal use. May we go home now? Again, polite use of would. Would is very polite word. For example, would you mind if I ask you a question? Would you please tell me the address of this person? So in these sentences, would is used show politeness. Now identify the functions of the modal verbs used in the following sentences. Rahul should study hard to get first class in the final exam. Next example, Manisha may miss the class. She might be suffering from fever. The government has to control the rising prices of petrol. Could I use your cell phone? Now see the examples of modal auxiliaries. Modal auxiliaries used in these sentences show different uses. For example, in the first sentence, Rahul should study hard to get first class in the final exam. So should is used to show advice. In the second sentence, Manisha may miss the class. Here the auxiliary verb may shows possibility. The next sentence, she might be suffering from fever. Here the modal auxiliary might shows probability or possibility. The government has to control the rising prices of petrol. Here the modal auxiliary has to shows obligation. And the last example, could I use your cell phone? Here could shows permission. Now show certainty. Will is used to show ability or capacity. Can or could is used to show obligation or compulsion. Must or have to is used to show possibility or probability. Might is used to show permission, means ask permission or give permission. Can, could or may is used. Now, thanks for watching. You must have understood the whole topic. If you haven't, go back to the first part, that is beginning of the video. Watch this video again and again and try to memorize the modal auxiliaries and their uses. Till then,